Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be diving into The World Until Yesterday by Jared Diamond. And wow, this book really makes you think differently about modern life. Diamond takes us on a journey through traditional societies, the kind that have existed for thousands of years, and compares them to the way we live today. And let me tell you, it's eye-opening. One of the coolest part is how he breaks down things like conflict resolution, child rearing, and even diet. It made me realize that while technology has made life easier, we might have lost some valuable lessons along the way. Diamond doesn't say we should go back to living in hunts, but he does argue that we can learn a lot from the past. It's like stepping into the time machine and coming out with tools to improve your life now. It's fascinating read packed with insights but still super easy to follow. If you love books that make you reflect on how we live today, this one is a must. Now, I highly recommend checking it out and you can grab your copy from Amazon. The link is in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Audible trial. Thanks for watching.